Hello everyone, welcome back to the TheDollShark. We're gonna do one of the new LOL Surprise Tween dolls. This is the third doll I'm doing, so this is Freshest. I have to be honest, inside the box, unseen out of the box, she is my least favorite. I don't know if it's changing, but you know, it is what it is. They cannot all be favorites. So you have the Tween fashion doll, LOL Surprise Tween, 15 surprises, some fashion, of course. And here are all the other free. Hoops Cutie we did already. Cherry BB we did already. And then Fancy Girls last because I think she's gonna be my favorite. So I'm gonna unbox this. Well, cut everything loose and all off camera, so don't go nowhere. So we can get her out of the box. Oh, I have to say she is cuter than I expected. I stand corrected a bit. I have to be honest. I think she is cuter than I expected. Oh, I'm intrigued. I am. Let's get her out of her prison. Well, there we have this. What else do we have? We have this little room piece. This is the booklet thing nobody ever reads. So we have her little room. Maybe we can put it right here if it's nothing in the glare. No, we don't have glares right now. That's good, isn't it? So we have this. So we have this. Of course, it's taped. I always complain about it, and I will do it until the end of time. Don't tape anything on cardboard that we still need to use as a playset. Big no-no. And then we have the doll. So I'm gonna get her out of this. I have to be honest. I am surprised that I like her so much. I'll be right back. Bye. So let's see if we have everything that we need to complete this playset. We've got a cute bed, and again with sticky. I know I told you every video, but still it bugs me. So we have this bed, totally cute bed, or this ball piece with a chair. We have a little drawer here with, well, not a lot, small thingies. So we put it right over here. So she has the bed, nice bed. Then we have two boxes. So we have two boxes. Again, from the BB Boutique, the Boo Boo Boutique, the BB Boutique. We have her stand. So that's really nice. See through, great. We have her stand, maybe we can put it right over here. Ooh. It's turning into a bit of a messy situation. So we got her booklet. It says Freshest, this or that, chill vibes, classic gems, kitty cats, drama. Apparently she's a drama queen, fresh beats, puppy dogs. So it's not folded correctly, but it's cute. And then we have this bag with something in it. And then we have the doll. I have to be honest that I like her way more than the artwork. Seriously, I think she's totally cute. I do. The hair again is a bit messy. I think it's like the hairs are a little bit messy on the most dolls that we get nowadays. But anyway, kids, I don't think would mind that too much. But as a collector, you're like, no, I want them to be perfect. So she has this cute outfit on top and the trousers with a chain. You see the chain? It's on there. She has really cute black. Is it in? I like her. I really do. So let's go to the surprises they sent in the box. Can she stand like that? I hope she is. You get a good view of her. Yeah. So let's go for this box first. Okay, so we have this cute box. What was in it? What's in it? How's everybody doing? Are you having fun? Are you doing something nice? Just chilling, watching this video? Okay, this is like where the small stuff is. Ooh, she comes with a lot of stuff. So we have these shades, cute shades. And then we have combs. They're not brushes anymore with these dolls. And then we have a necklace. Is it like focusing on the right spot? This isn't focused. I so hope this is focused. I really cannot tell. Well, I tried. You know, points for effort. We have 2 different kind of earrings. And then we have what I believe, although I'm wrong most of the times, a bracelet. So we have that. That's cute. The paper. And then we have, well, I'm going to open up this packet first. Don't know what's in it. What shall we find? Oh, it's a little fanny pack. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. It's like, it's supposed to like go like that. Okay. I think so you got it open up like this and then go over her shoulder. Or you can just do it around her waist, I think. That's cute. That's cute. That's cool. The last box we have, it's the BB Boutique again. Those are girls are making money. Yes, they do. Oh, look at that. So these are her shoes. Let us have a close look at the shoes. Those are nice. I like them. They're cute. I like them. Yes, I like them. Backpack. Can I open it up from the back? Yes, I can. What do we have here? Some plastic waste. That's too bad. What is it? Oh my god. It's like, oi. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a cute little jacket. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. We're gonna put that on her in a minute. So I'm gonna dress her and, you know, do everything I need to do. I'll be back in a sec. Don't go nowhere. So we got everything on. So we're ready to show you her final look. So this is her hair. Really nice. And then we have her face with a little painted on hair, blue, light blue makeup, pink lipstick, her earrings, different earrings. So that's nice. Her little jacket, it's a little bit stiff and it doesn't stay in the right place. So we have to, you know, it was a little bit hard, but anyways, her little necklace, her fanny pack, her pants with the chain, really cool, her bracelet, and her shoes. So that's the final look for Freshest, and I have to be honest, really, I really like her, which I thought I wouldn't. So, you know, there's that. I thought I didn't like her, but I do. So that's something you have to remember as well. Sometimes in the box art is not always as good as the doll, and sometimes it's the other way around. This was the other way around. I liked the doll way more than the artwork on the box. So we have her now. We have Hoops Cutie. We have Cherry BB. The only one we have to do is Fancy Girl. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you all on the next one. So stay safe, everybody. Bye.